Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzel speaking. In this video, we are going to examine icon set number 3, Select and Text Box for the Google Slide Deck series. With that being said, let's begin. As you can see on my screen, the Select tool is currently highlighted in yellow. What this means is I can move objects on my Google Slide Deck as well as interact with them. If I were to use some of the other tools available in the main toolbar, I would have to go back to my Select tool in order to adjust other aspects of the slide. The next feature I wish to discuss is the text box feature. When I click on this option, my tool changes. I have this little set of lines on my screen, which means that when I click and drag, I can create a brand new text box of any size I so desire. This can be very useful to create a variety of layouts in Google Slides. Now, when I click outside of the text box, I can see that the screen has defaulted back to the selector tool. So, as can be seen, the selector tool is the default use for your cursor. When you use the other tools in the toolbar, you will be selecting those tools. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.